Hi guys, what's up, and welcome back again to another travel vlog. Today is July 9, 2024, and it's a Tuesday. So time check, it's 8:17 in the evening, guys. So I'll be showing you around what you will see here in Hue City, especially here in the night market area. And then fortunately, my hotel is located here, so I'll show you around. So my hotel, guys, is located there, and then that's where I ate a while ago. So it's so hectic, guys. It's getting hectic. So now let's do our walking tour around here. So this is what you will see, guys. Like a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants. Yeah, look at that. Especially that one, guys. They have a lot of guests. And then in the street also you can find something like this. Someone sells banh mi. Okay, so a lot of foreigners are also here, guys, especially the white ones. And then many local Vietnamese folks are also here. So let's move along this area and check what's here. Ooh, Mel Secret. So they do have a mart here. So you can buy your goods. And then another restaurant, Taste Kitchen. So this one is a flashy place. So this entire street is full of restaurants, guys. Like everywhere you go, there is a restaurant. There is a place for you to eat, like that one. So it's full of white people, Caucasians. Yeah. And then this one is more on the local side, so you can tell many of them are Vietnamese. Unfortunately, I cannot mingle with them because I don't speak Vietnamese. This one, Ngoc Trang Travel Agency. So you can book your tour here, guys. Souvenir shop. And that one is a hotel. So this one is more on the local side than Dao. May mga bata, oh. Amazing. Wow. Ooh. Isn't it amazing? Wow. Like, look at it, guys. Grabe, guys. Look. Like everywhere you go, everywhere you look, it's full of people. And many of them are Vietnamese. So let's continue our tour here, guys. We are still here in Hue City. So this is the provincial police office here in Hue. And look at this, guys. Like everything is orderly here in Hue. Yeah. There's a very spacious pedestrian lane. And then there's only like 2 lanes in the road. So it's good for the pedestrians and for those who cycle. So their police station is so good, guys. Like it has a lot of parking area. Look. And that's, I think, the Central Police Station. My goodness, the kids. The kids are playing beside the road. My gosh. Let's continue our walking tour, guys. I came across with some buildings that has flashy LEDs like that. And then you can also see here some tourists, guys, na that availed of that one. I don't know what that's called, but it looks fun. So you can avail that. But as for me, I would not like to avail. So this is still part of, I think, the police. So Vietnam. Look, you can see a lot of stuff like this, especially in government buildings. So those bikes are stationed there. So they are there, guys. So this is an example of a busy intersection here in Hue. Look. And that's the Imperial Hotel. Look. And we are now back here, guys, in the intersection near the bridge, which we took a video a while ago. And it was so busy by then. So time check, it's 8:35, still very busy. So this is, I think, the busiest intersection here in Hue, guys. Like, oh my gosh. So now let's cross the bridge. But before we cross the bridge, guys, I just would like to give you a tour of what's happening here below the bridge. Look. So we might as well visit before we go to the other side of the bridge. So I'm already here below the bridge, guys, and many people are here. There are also many people there riding the boat. And I believe many of the people here are local. Yeah, local. And there's a vending machine over there. So most of them are local, guys. Ooh. So somehow the vibes is same with Hoi An, but of course Hoi An has way more tourists than here. Wow. So there's also a restaurant near the river, guys. Look. Bentan Group. So it's a restaurant beside the river. And then others are selling drinks here. Probably it's cheap. Grabe gini si ate girl, oh. kaganihan nakita na ko na siya sa Citadel hangtod karon na pagyapon diri sige pamaligya. My gosh, she's so hardworking. So it's a floating restaurant. It's a floating restaurant, guys. And then, yeah, floating restaurant. This side, guys, is more of the boat rides. So there are a lot of boats here. So if you wish to go in the river, then you can. I wonder though how much is the price. But I don't like boats. No. So I also noticed, guys, that many of the people here are more on the local side. And then many are kids tagging along with their parents. Wow. Amazing. Ooh. So more boats. In here, more people on the local side. Some are selling hats, many are selling drinks and all. So there's also another restaurant here, guys. And look at all the motorcycles that are being parked. This is how they park motorcycles, guys. It's like bumper to bumper. Look. This is the Vietnamese way of parking motorcycles. Amazing. And guys, I'm here on the other side of the park. So there are a lot of things that you can do here. First is you can rent that colorful three-wheel vehicle something. Yeah, it's nice to go around here. And then they designed this park to have like cemented something like this for you to use that. But there are places where you cannot cross. So take a look at this, guys. There are a lot of trees here that they planted. So it's nice to see these one, and it would be good if it would grow taller para maka-provide siya ng shade someday. Yes, so that's what you can do here in this park. Check this out, guys. Daghan kay mga bata diri. Many kids are here, guys, riding that three-wheeled cart, enjoying the time of their lives. Even adults are joining the fun. Amazing. And we are now crossing the bridge again, guys. It's going to be a very long walk. So this bridge is a bit long. I think it's over 1 kilometer long. And look at the traffic. Amazing. So the boat tours, the boats are still there, guys. I don't know why. So they are putting the candles in the lanterns in the river. Same with what's being done in Hoi An.